Hello everyone, welcome to biology concept classes. So today we will discuss about the very crucial process, that is photosynthesis. Here we can see basically the green plants, as we know from our previous knowledge. The green plants they usually perform photosynthesis, as they are known as autotrophs. Okay, so we will proceed. What is photosynthesis? We will see first what is photosynthesis. Now photosynthesis basically it is a biochemical process where light energy is converted into chemical energy. This is the main thing, where the plants they produce chemical energy, means some food materials for their own purpose. Okay, and oxygen is released in this process, as we know that we are taking the oxygen from them. Now photosynthesis is one of the reasons because of which life exists on earth today. Means without photosynthesis we cannot imagine any single existence of life. Any single existence means, I want to say that the unicellular to multicellular organisms. Now we will see where does it occur. Okay, where does it occur? Now here you can see green dots. Okay, circular structures are there. This is actually the shape. Let me mark that portion. Actually this portion, this boundary, can you see this boundary? Actually this is the plant cell. Okay, this is the plant cell boundary, and here inside the cell basically it is the mesophyll cell. Okay, mesophyll cells. Here you can see these structures. Green structures are chloroplast. Okay, so the process of photosynthesis is going on the chloroplast, right? So here we can see chloroplast are the site of photosynthesis in plants. Okay, here you can see a detailed structure of chloroplast having inner membrane, outer membrane, and some stacks of like rotis, okay, or chapatis. These stacks are known as granas, and the lumen inside the chloroplast is known as stroma. Okay, so we will proceed to the pigments. What are the pigments present in the plant, or which pigments? Why the color of what is the meaning of pigment? Basically pigment means color only. Okay, basically the plant's color, leaf or plant body color is like green. Now what is the reason behind that? Basically these are the pigments. You can see chlorophyll, carotenoids, and phycobilins. These are the pigments which associated with the trapping of sunlight. Okay, so chlorophyll A is widely present in all the photosynthetic cells, but in case of other cells it is absent. In case of other organisms it is absent, but chlorophyll B is very much associated with the higher group of organisms, means higher group of plants. Here you can see chlorophyll green color. It can be carotenoids and flavonoids. You can see carotenoids, carrots, as you know, the term came from carrots. That is why you can see carotenoids orange color. Then carotenoids and flavonoids, these are the yellow color pigments, actually phycobilins. Okay, red algae, sometimes they are red color, they are having red color. Okay, so what is the major purpose of this pigment? These pigments are very much important for the trapping of sunlight. Okay, now equation of photosynthesis we will see. In case of this reaction, two reactant we need. One is water, one is CO2. Here you can see, and light energy in the leaf. The process is going on in the leaf. Because of that, the leaf is known as the kitchen of plant. The product is glucose and byproduct is oxygen. You can see here this process is continuously going on in this during this process of photosynthesis. Clear? Now importance of photosynthesis we will see. This is the last part. Importance of photosynthesis. Basically we are producing food. What is the food? Sugar and glucose. That is the plant is always creating for us, or not for us, for it itself only, but we can consume it. Okay, next is oxygen, which is very much important nowadays. We can hear the deficiency of oxygen during this corona situation. Okay, COVID situation. So this is oxygen. Okay, maybe there is a lack of oxygen. Okay, now this is the last slide that I want to discuss with you. Okay then, so up to this for today. Okay, thank you.